Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
It is a banned organizations. To say that all these things, I think government know how to function in the government. Because, just like what I said, if today somebody talk about me, and tomorrow somebody allege some minister, then government know how to function properly. There is a way of to function in the government.
What is the demand?
You see, this is the demand from the opposition party. Is always opposition is always a duty. What demanding, resign, dropping this and that. Everything you do, you have to be with full proof. Suppose if I resign, I accept the allegation, and which I'm not going to do. I won't bother at all. I'm here to serve for my people, not to serve for terrorists. Please remember. That is my commitment. 17 years as MLA in my own state. I love my people. And I will commit and promise to work harder and harder for the people of the state. The allegation is truly baseless allegation.
Do you think anybody is...
It seemed that, but what should I say? It seemed the way how the statement come from some of the political party, it seemed politically motivated. But anyway, I have seen so many people want to spread negativity on me personally, but I'm not worried. Because my duty is to work for my people of the state, to promote, to develop the state into a greater height. That is my intention, and that is our focus as the whole government also.
During your tenure as a minister in the Congress-led government, that you have funded the HNLC, what do you have to say?
Yeah, so thank you so much. So just now I already briefed in Kasi. So just like what I said only. Point number one, so unfortunately I was not in station for the last few days. So today I want to clarify myself based on that allegation. So the allegation which you have seen in the news for the last few days, which has been stated by the HLSC, so which is very, very unfortunate you see, but which is a false and baseless allegations. And it seems from the statement of some other political leaders also, the way how it moved, it seemed this move is, it seemed politically motivated just to malign my image personally. And please remember, I have seen so many friends who try to follow up me personally, but the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, God more will bless me and bless my party and the governments. I am here to serve my people, very, very sincere. We are here to protect the state, the peoples, and the country as a whole. We are your leaders. Please trust us. All these things is baseless allegation, which is not true at all. There will be a time, if necessary. But to listen for the ban organization, all this also, I think you know very well.
So no legal action against them?
We will see action. Because suppose now, I'm just informed, just like it's a ban organization. You know very well. Sometimes you should spread propaganda every now and then, every time. So that's the time to do for everything. We have to check, we have to justify what type of issues, whether it's serious issues, whether issues we have to take. But we'll properly, don't worry on this. But I would like to inform, to express that it's a baseless allegation, which is nothing correct, it's all wrong. Hagabay day bat kani hagajing siya nga day ban Pynshai ni uni sing baladet handay nga don siya ba tong state nga suam ni me te nakaling ni nga suam Pynshai kaya kwa bani thu yi pi kumgi parong jongi ngam don against no ngam don kanu kajing against the political party plani ka sing HNLC zero. Point number one. And number two part, kan mau sa kawe kada HNLC is a ban organization. Ta kwa ba netu ibi kini kijing allege kijing yetu kumpi umne ba mi akini kistio bla dem. Nakaling jonga ngam du tip ka hero. Ngam jo don here kata, ngam jo sponsor ngam jo phone here. But ngam jo tip ka no but which is totally a false and a baseless allegation which made by them. How nga sa tu hinga burom, but nga sa tu yaga sentiment yung the opposition. But I regret to say that it is a baseless and false allegation. Kanibaro dega bamday sudah. Yubi kata kadai bonsin ka position ni gijo don ga jiken kuman lagi isu hakani grukom. Dai masu tu ini nak keleng jongai ngakwa am Pynshai pi. Kum ngau muni kadai ga won kadai ga kau racing balaban. Te subuk mentan kanu ku bagi berukikan ngimut man kanu ABC ngin ong yes ka badai. Ongkin ai ka proof. Ongkin Pynshai. Subuk la syakan wan biang sekawai ka nong ba. Umah kermen du ufon ni kani. Is it true? Subuk don next week pandu ong bat ba. Umah Kevin ufon yang ni. Is it true? You need proof. You need proof document. You have to prove that. Pidai man Pynshai komi kita baro. Tengah kejing pejong ngai personally iman. Dah kebuburom iman kani kadega. It seem is some politically motivated just to malign me personally. And please remember, the more they want to spread negativity on me personally, the more God will bless me. And I'm assured that I will promise I will work better and better for my people of the state of Meghalaya. And I commit very sincerely, please don't think otherwise. I am your leaders. I am here to serve my state and for my beloved people. And all the allegation is very false and baseless allegation.